Hi guys, good morning. We just got up. Time is 7:25, and we have to head to Calcutta as soon as possible. But then our room is a mess. So since it was raining yesterday and most of our things got dirty, so we have kept everything for drying. Room is a total mess now. So we will have to start packing all of these, have breakfast, and then head for Calcutta. So जल्दी जल्दी से करना है, can't waste time. Atul is already angry. Bye bye. Orissa. We have just crossed Berhampur and we are just few kilometers away from Chilika Lake. Bhubaneswar from here is another 130 kilometers. The weather is so hot, like we both are dying to reach our destination Calcutta. I don't know when we are going to reach, but yeah, like the weather is making you feel so drowsy and you tend to fall asleep, but somehow we are trying to keep ourselves awake, continuously talking to one another over the Sena. And yeah, we have stopped for a quick break, like a petrol break and a bio break here in a huge, like this is a huge petrol bunk. So let me show you around. They have newly constructed this place, and they have clean restrooms and resting areas wherein you can actually go and sleep if you are tired. Yeah, Atul is back from his bio break, so we will quickly do a petrol, we will fill up petrol and then we'll head towards Bhubaneswar. I think in between we will do a quick stop to see if we can get a view of the Chilika Lake. But then can you see this? This is amazing. The location of this petrol bunk is amazing. There's something over there. I'm gonna go. Oh, there's a railway track there. And no, there is a board there wherein they have a lot of, I don't know, number plates maybe. I'm gonna go there. So I'm gonna go and take a picture there. Atul, you wanna say hi? How's the weather? Hot. Hot? Only hot?
Very hot.
Yeah.
Odisha weather.
I think Andhra was also hot. Let's see how Orissa is. Yeah. So let me quickly go there and take a picture. So what you see here are the number plates for I think all the states. I can see Manipur, Gujarat, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh. So I think all the states, all 29 states. I think it also has the union territories. I can see Daman and Diu there, Lakshadweep there, and surprisingly, I can see K registration. I can't see Assam registration. Maybe they are somewhere down there. There are somewhere down there. They are hidden by those plants there. Kind of disappointed. I want to see an AS Assam registration. What do you call it? Number plate as well, because I am from Assam. But it's it's okay. I can see a Karnataka number plate. That's where I'm from. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see it properly, but maybe immediately after this clip I can post a picture. Guys, that's the lake. Chilika Lake. The view is amazingly beautiful. Like the lake there, the road. I don't know if you can see the road there. That's the highway. And the green mountains. I think no camera, no DSLR will do justice to this beauty. You just have to experience this with your own eyes. The railway track is even more awesome. It's just there, like it goes. That's the railway track. We just saw a train passing by. I think they will have a better view. Actually, yes, because I have I have traveled train me from Bangalore to Guwahati, Guwahati to Bangalore. So the train always is very close to the lake. It's like just next to the lake. Yeah. So we have parked the bike. We'll take some photos and then we'll head ahead. Well, hi.